Well, you must have heard about Alibaba and 40 Thieves as well as Batman, and they had something in common. It was a cave with full of wonderful things, be it Bat Cave or the caves of Alibaba Chalis Thieves. And here in the Blender, you can go in the preferences in the add-ons tab, and in the search you type extra and tick on this thing, add mesh extra objects, and close this thing. And now if you go to add mesh, you find some more objects. If you click on rock generator, it is going to create a rock, and if we go into the sub menu, we can have a lot of options. We can have the number of rocks, 1 2 3 or rocks. One thing I found something good is, if you increase the value and then decrease the value, a new type of rock is generated each and every time. This is one rock, and if I reduce the value, the shape of that rock is changed. If I increase the value and then decrease the value, the shape of this rock is changed. And there are some artifacts that, but it can be solved using subdivision surface. Along with that, we have X scale. We can scale it in X axis, we can scale it in X axis, we can scale it in Y axis if we want, we can scale it in Z axis if we want. Now it's looking like a pancake, now it is looking like a rock, and it is a little bit random effect. The amount of deformation you want in this object, the amount of roughness you want in this object, the more the value is, the more the rougher the stone will be. Level of detail you want to show, 4, the maximum number is 4. Display level, the amount of details displayed on the surface. Now it feels like it's like a rock. This is the amount of details that you want to display on the surface of the rock. Smooth factor, how much smooth do you want the stone to be? Smooth iterations, it will be repeating the smooth factor. Smooth factor and smooth iterations work hand in hand. Then generate rock, this is one of the wonderful options, is that if I just tick this off and then tick it, a new kind of stone is generated each and every time, and then tick it, a new kind of stone is generated. Let me reduce the details. If I tick it off and then tick on, I get a new rock each and every time. Isn't it wonderful? It's awesome. And thanks to Blender developers and Blender donation fund. Along with that, they have also provided presets like fake ocean. You can have a fake ocean. Next is ice. You can have a simple ice. What can we say? Iceberg or what? We can have sandstone. The next option is asteroid. Quite big asteroids. Let me increase the display level details. This is the kind of asteroids. River rock, they have smooth surfaces. River rocks have smooth surfaces. And then there comes our default, and use a random seed. What this does is, each time you change the value, a random rock is generated. So if I tick this off, and then if we increase or decrease the scale, now it will work predictably. If you tick this on, it will be unpredictable. it will be using random values. So that's it for rock generator. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to wholeheartedly support me, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. You can also support me financially by Google Pay, Phone Pay, and Paytm. Phone number will be given also in the description. And with that being said, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.